Today we're going to aim to enhance our triplets flow with right, left, left, and foot, left, left. We'll cover the basics and then explore more advanced practical chops with these 3 steps. Get familiar with each stick-in, practice transitioning between the two, and learn to flip the patterns and stitch everything together to create your own signature flow. Now I use these visual cues in my own practice time, and that really helped me to think in sound rather than, thinking about right, left, left, or foot, left, left. I'm not thinking about the stick-ins. And I think it will also make for following along much simpler as we dive into the routine. So now we want to explore transitioning between the 2 stick-ins using various hand and foot combinations. So now it's time to add a little flavor to our patterns by flipping them. And what that simply means is that we're going to start the patterns at a different point in the beat. So here's a straightforward example using the right, left, left stick-in. I like to call this the 2 up, 1 down technique. By adding 2 notes to the start of that pattern, we're going to use right, left, or foot left. We're going to shift the stick-in to begin on the up beats instead of the down beats. Now, as you can see here, we could essentially keep playing on the up beats forever. To transition to the down beats, it takes just 1 hit or 1 note, and this is the 1 down, 1 singular extra note, whether a right hand or foot, and it's represented by this symbol. That brings us back to the down beat. So let's flip right, left, left with right, left, acting as our shifting notes. So now let's apply the same to foot left left with right left. Alright, so now let's move to flipping foot left left with foot left. By using this 2-note shifter technique, we flip to both right, left, left and foot left, left to start on the upbeat. And this is one of the tools that many advanced drummers use to make simple ideas sound more complex. So this is what displacement is. So now let's check out how to use these flipped stick-ins in practice by combining full phrases of right, left, left and foot left, left, shifting the entire thing using 2-note shifters. Try these 4 examples. this far in this video and you're probably thinking, man, this seems like a lot to take in, then don't worry. I found that having a checklist in your practice time could really help, so please consider these 3 things. Listen, get familiar with the sound of these triplet patterns, and this video is a good starting point, but also listen to your favorite drummers and absorb how they use triplet language. Learn. So what we want to do is dive into all things triplets. We want to learn how to count, clap, and sing triplet rhythms to really get them in our system and produce. Start slow and without a metronome, and only when you're comfortable, target a good triplet phrasing tempo like 100 BPM. Okay, so next time we'll organize this concept, all these ideas into very specific phrases, but for now, strive for a continuous flow of the triplets using right, left, left, and foot, left, left, and all their variations. So I'll see you next time in the drum corner.